Today is a very, very sad day. I just learned I have no warranty in this car, in this truck. I bought it thinking I had warranty. Let me explain why. All right, folks, this is gonna be a quick video. I purchased the car from a dealership, Mitsubishi dealership in the Carolinas, North Carolina, with the notion that the car would still have Mopar warranty, right? Because it's under 50,000 miles, so the car, I mean, most cars, their powertrain goes into 60,000 miles. So, yeah, I think, all right, I'm good. I'm good at least into 60,000 miles. Well, I called Mopar, and to my surprise, because I want to get an extended warranty, I'm planning to keep the truck. To my surprise, they told me that my truck is no longer under factory warranty. And I said, what do you mean it's not under factory warranty? Well, they said, well, since the car was registered initially in Canada, the factory warranty is not valid to the US. A US-made truck sold in Canada, they tell me that the warranty is not valid in the US. So now I learned that I have a truck without warranty. Obviously, I was not happy about it. I called a few dealerships and I asked them, or I called different companies and I asked them, can I buy an extended warranty for the truck? Because that truck, I mean, it's like a space shuttle. I mean, it has a ton of things and a lot of things could go wrong. So I want at least another 3-4 years warranty, or 60,000 miles. So I was looking for it, navigating in the web and looking for warranties. So I called a dealership nearby my house and I told them about my issue, and then guess what? They said, well, you know, we understand that Mopar will not give you an extended warranty, but we can give you a warranty through a third party. I looked at the warranty that they're providing, 5 extra years, 60,000 miles, with 0 deductible, meaning if you bring your car to their dealership, 60,000 miles and 5 extra years. Great deal. And guess what? The purchase for the warranty is about 30% cheaper than if I would have purchased with Mopar. So if you have a car that it was originally registered in Canada, do your research, because most likely you no longer have a warranty for that car. So that's one thing. 2, obviously, is the rust. You know, being in Canada, depending on most any location in Canada, the rust. Obviously, you're gonna have rust under the car, which I fixed that. That's another clip that we will show you at a later date. So I went ahead to a dealer nearship, Victory dealership. I purchased an extended warranty that is better than actually Mopar. It covers everything in the car, with the exception of oils and brakes. I mean, brake pads, stuff like that. But it covers. The warranty is actually almost better than factory. For 60,000 miles. 5 years, 60 additional 1,000 miles in 5 years. I think that's a great deal. It gives me a peace of mind. I mean, the truck is running perfectly. They actually, this is the other thing, the dealership actually did an inspection in my car. And guess what? Everything checks okay. Everything in this truck checks okay, except that I have rusted rotors and my battery is dying. So there's going to be another episode changing the rotors and changing my battery. Yeah, the battery actually dying, so I'm going to have to purchase a new one. Besides that, the truck is running great. So there's going to be a lot of add-ons I'm going to do to the truck, and then some modifications in the performance side. I want to I want to bring that truck probably to 450 horsepower or so. I want to have some kick when I press the gas, all right? Hopefully you enjoy this, and this helps you when you're looking at a car, and especially looking to see if they have warranties, all right? Till next video, please join us and like it.